The K&F Concept 15-in-1 Camera Pro Cleaning Kit is designed for photographers who want a more complete way to keep DSLR cameras and other sensitive devices clean. Instead of relying on a single cleaning tool, this kit combines multiple accessories intended to handle different types of dust, dirt, fingerprints, and surface cleaning needs. That makes it a practical option for maintaining camera equipment without having to collect cleaning items individually. One of the useful features is the Strong Blower, which is intended to help remove loose dust and particles without directly touching the surface being cleaned. This can be particularly helpful around delicate camera areas where unnecessary contact should be avoided. The kit also includes 60 ml of purified water, giving users a dedicated liquid for applicable cleaning tasks. Because the product is described for sensitive devices, having tools designed specifically for cleaning camera equipment can make routine maintenance more convenient. The 15-in-1 format is one of the main reasons to consider this kit. A camera setup can involve different surfaces and components that require different cleaning approaches, so having multiple tools in one package provides more flexibility than carrying a single cloth or blower. It is aimed primarily at DSLR users, but the description also indicates compatibility with other sensitive devices, making it potentially useful beyond photography equipment. There are a few practical considerations, though. A larger multi-tool kit can be more than necessary for someone who only needs occasional basic dust removal. Also, cleaning sensitive camera equipment still requires careful handling, since having specialized tools does not eliminate the need to use the appropriate accessory for the particular surface. Overall, the K&F Concept 15-in-1 Camera Pro Cleaning Kit is best suited to photographers who want a broader cleaning solution in one package. Its combination of multiple cleaning accessories, a strong blower, and 60 ml of purified water makes it a practical choice for regular camera maintenance, especially for DSLR owners who prefer having several cleaning options readily available.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.